cold docking. If two metal pieces come into contact with space, they will melt together and become one piece. This is called cold adhesion or contact glue. This does not happen on Earth because the atmosphere places a layer of oxidizing material on the surfaces, which prevents this from happening. This may seem like a huge problem for satellites and space stations, but since they originally came from Earth, they are already covered with these materials. What is the truth of the black hole? On the male black hole, the majority visualizes it as a two-dimensional disk that pulls everything towards it on one side and does not appear on the other side, i.e. as an actual hole in space attracting things to a deep hole, and this is not surprising given the use of science fiction movies and TV shows meaning literal of them marked, black and perforated, and photographed accordingly. But in reality there is no difference between a black hole and a star or the planet in terms of its shape. It is spherical in shape, and it has a very large field of attraction that pulls everything towards it from all directions, due to the high density, so that the photons do not become magnetic, and therefore we see them in black. The stars can be very strange. For example, the star named WISE 1828 plus 2650 and so exciting with this star, Moon, of course, is how cool it is. It is considered a brown dwarf star, and is the coldest known star with a temperature between -23 and -127 degrees Celsius. Another strange star named BPM 37093 is a nucleus made of diamonds, yes, 10 billion trillion carats of diamonds. Neutron stars are the strangest, so dense that only a teaspoon of its constituent material weighs more than 100 million tons. What do you think of the color of the Sun? The Sun, the source of life on Earth, is not yellow at all, but we also see it because of the layer of atmosphere surrounding the Earth. In fact, the Sun emits almost all the colors of the visible spectrum with an equal density of each, meaning the true color of the Sun is white. Are you sure you know all the names of the solar system planets? Many of us believe that it knows all the planets in our solar system. The known planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There is also Pluto, but after 2006 Pluto was no longer categorized as a planet, but rather a class of dwarf planets. Of course, Pluto is not the only dwarf planet here. For example, there are Ceres, Iris, Makemake, Haumea, Sita, Orcus, Car, Shen, Verna, Kes and many other planets that are not named by official names. The asteroid Ceres is unique because its circular path around the Sun is between Mars and Jupiter.